watching pictures of a man called Babu Bajrangi. For 20 years, including during the Gujarat riots, he was a leader of the VHP. He's now a leader of the Shiv Sena. And he is the man who masterminded the savagery at Naroda Patia.
हमारी एफआईआर में लिखा गया है एक को प्रेग्नेंट है उसको हमने चीर दिया उनको बताया कि क्या होता है कि हम लोग को तुमने मारा तो हम तुमको क्या प्रतिकार दे सकते हैं हम खिचड़ी करी वाले नहीं है.
Imagine this, Bajrangi admitting he ripped open a pregnant woman's stomach. On the other hand, the Gujarat government has been denying this. In an affidavit to the Justice Mehta Committee, constituted by the Supreme Court, the government says there's no such incident during the riots. But listen again to what the accused man is himself telling us.
हमारी एफआईआर में लिखा गया है एक को प्रेग्नेंट है उसको हमने चीर दिया उनको बताया कि क्या होता है कि हम लोग को तुमने मारा तो हम तुमको क्या प्रतिकार दे सकते हैं हम खिचड़ी करी वाले नहीं है.
Bajrangi and his men used swords, firearms, petrol and other tools to carry out their gruesome design. They laid siege on Naroda Patia for 10 hours. And by the end, they had slaughtered 91 Muslim men, women and children.
हमने तो वहीं चैलेंज कर दिया था जब बोतरा में हम गए और लाशें देखी हमने उनको वहीं चैलेंज कर दिया था कि इससे 4 गुना लाश हम पाटिया में गिरा डालेंगे.
Bajrangi claims that workers from every major party took part in the Naroda massacre. And he brags that when a senior officer visited the site after the massacre, the officer remarked that it looked like a battle scene from Haldi Ghati. Bajrangi went on to explain that not only did he kill the Muslims, but he burnt their bodies as well. Because, he said, this is against their religion. He then went on to say that he felt like Maharana Pratap after the killings. And then he dropped another bombshell.
रात में एक खड्डा भी है बहुत बड़ा वहाँ मैदान में सबको मारा और हमने 7 बजे फोन करके गृह मंत्री को बता दिया था और जयदीप भाई को भी बता दिया था कि इतने लोग मरे हैं आप लोग संभाल लेना.
Bajrangi also disclosed to Undercover Tehelka headlines today reporter Ashish Khaitan how the then State Home Minister Gordon Zadafia was very concerned about him.
मेरी बातचीत हुई गोल्डन जलेबी से मैंने बोला साहब ऐसा ऐसा हो गया बोले तुम भाग जाओ गुजरात छोड़ दो भाग जाओ. मैं बोला ये क्या हुआ तो बोले नहीं तुम भाग जाओ बोले तुम ये भी मत बोला कि मेरे से बात हुई.
Have you ever heard of a person orchestrating 91 murders in a single day? Have you ever heard of such a person then calling up the State Home Minister and telling him to sort the matter out? And have you ever heard of a Home Minister telling a mass murderer to go hide somewhere? But according to main accused Babu Bajrangi, this is the truth behind the murders of Naroda Patia. Ashish Khaitan for Tehelka headlines today.
Alright, and now we come to our biggest revelation. This goes right to the top, the Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi. Where was Modi during the riots in 2002?
That's a question that everybody's been asking. There's been no direct proof so far implicating Narendra Modi for his role in the Gujarat riots of 2002. What we did was spoke to several people, key members of the Sangh Parivar, some from the BJP, some from the VHP, some from the Bajrang Dal. These are members of the Sangh Parivar revealing how Narendra Modi actually allowed the riots to take place in Gujarat. Take a look.
than 1,000 people were killed in the Gujarat riots. The whole state was burning in communal frenzy. VHP leaders like Babu Bajrangi were orchestrating dozens of murders. Bajrang Dal men like Haresh Bhatt were giving bombs to rioters. And the then State Home Minister, Gordon Zadafia, was allegedly telling murderers to hide. But what about the Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi? Where was he and what was he doing? According to the man behind the Naroda Patia massacre, Babu Bajrangi, Modi came to Naroda. This was the day after the killings.
ब्लैक कमांडो लेके आए ना, दूसरे दिन आए थे। शांत के बहाने आए, तो जो थे बोले हमने किया, बोले तुमको धन्य है।
अच्छा,
बाकी तो क्या बोले, इतने तो आश्वासन दे दिया, फिर उसको खुले हम तो बोल नहीं सकते।
इतना आश्वासन दिया उन्होंने,
खुला बोल के हिसाब से तुम बाहर है यार। सिर्फ एक आदमी मुझे
If you're shocked at Babu Bajrangi's account, listen to what Suresh Richard had to say. He's another accused in the Naroda Patia massacre.
मेरी बात सुनो, यहाँ पे जब कांड होने के बाद अपना भाई भी आया था, नरेंद्र मोदी भी, फिर बोले कि बराबर बोले जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। वो खुद बोल के गया, यहाँ रोड से गाड़ी लेकर निकला, चाली देगा हमको, यहाँ पे फूल हार डाल के गया, बोले सब बात धन बोले तुमको बोले। अब हमको क्या पता कि फूल हार हमारे आश्चर्य बन गए।
And if you're shocked at what Suresh Matthew had to say, then let's go back to Babu Bajrangi. Look at what more Bajrangi claimed Modi did for him. Have you heard anything like this before? Self-confessed murderers saying the chief minister congratulated them, garlanded them, and even hid them from the law.
नरेंद्र भी तो हमारे साथ में बहुत है। नहीं, उसने तो कमिश्नर ने ऑर्डर दे दिया, ऑर्डर तो दिया, फिर हमको बोला गया कि भाई घर छोड़ दो। हम घर छोड़ के भागे। फिर नरेंद्र भी ने हमको यहाँ आबू माउंट में रखा। आबू माउंट में गुजरात भवन है, उसने हमको 4.5 महीना वहां रखा। उसके बाद में नरेंद्र भी जैसा बोलते हैं फिर अरेस्ट किए हुए, अरेस्ट होके 6 महीना रहे। फिर नरेंद्र भाई ने हमको छुड़वाया, और जो गुजरात में नरेंद्र भाई ने किया वो कोई नहीं कर सकता।
That, according to rioters, is the story of Narendra Modi. Ashish Khaitan for Tehelka headlines today.
A classic case of Nero playing the fiddle while Rome was burning. You saw over there a leader of the VHP, currently with the Shiv Sena, saying he slit open a pregnant woman's womb and saying that he got 3 days from Narendra Modi to do exactly as he pleases. To try and make some sense of the story, Shoma Chaudhary, a key person at Tehelka who's been helping put this entire story together, now joins us in our studio. Shoma, what we